This is a look at my butterfly area. Here I have a bougainvillea I'm trying to pot. Here you have buttercups. There's some more flowers here. And these particular plumerias came from Hurricane Irma. This came from a friend. It's called a spinach tree. This is a bleeding heart that came from dear old friend, the Browns, a World War II veteran. And this is I believe a Florida jasmine. Came from my mom. With some hanging baskets. And can't remember the name of this one right quick, but this has purple flowers. I've had this bush for probably 15 years. Very hardy, very easy to root. Cuttings. And then we have here some milkweed. Butterflies just love it. We also have some dill from butterfly larvae of the swallowtail. And then here we have the pagoda bush. These are about a foot tall when I first got them. And they are, as you can see, above the fence. Firecracker bush. Here's some zinnias and some tickweed plants. And this is a Mexican sunflower. And here we have some more zinnias that are coming up. And then back here we have some bean bushes that the skippers love to eat. So a lot of stuff in here, like a jungle. So we go back in here. And then all of these bushes here are pagodas that came up as pups, and they're doing quite well. Also, we have some colossia, same way, from seeds. Also, we have some milkweed that came up, and then we have some scarlet salvia, and then here's some seeds that I just planted. 4 o'clocks, another one that I can't think of the name right now. And then over here, we have some Spanish needle, and I just let it grow. The pollinators love it, so I don't mess with that too much. And then here we have some tropicals. Not a huge tropical fan, but all these came from my mom. And then these amaryllis came from, again, our friends the Brown, the World War II veteran. They bloom every summer. And then back here, we have some pothos growing and doing quite well in the shade. And then back to the compost pile. This was quite high, and it's just the right spot. It's in the sun, and gets the afternoon sun. I water it, stir it. So this is what I call my butterfly garden, kind of oasis. Salvage that mira, hang it up out here. Birds can see themselves, whatever. And then we have some crepe myrtles that I've had for a long time, but I just leave them in the pots. But as you can see, to me it's quite peaceful. There's some elephant ears growing. There is some poinsettia. Here it is May. They're still red because it's dark back here at night. So there you have it. Just left a garden. It's good exercise, and it's just pretty cool to just kind of come out and clear your mind and work on the soil. one more. Double hibiscus. I've had this plant for quite a long time as well. Very beautiful. So there you go. There is my oasis, what I call. Some may call it weeds, but I like it.